Hey lovely people, I'm Diksha and today I'm spilling all the curly hair do's and don'ts. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our videos. You see, our curly hair has a mind of its own and loves to do its own thing. So to help the curls get the moisture it needs, start by using a moisture boosting shampoo and conditioner specifically designed for curly hair, like the BeBeautiful Curls Sulfate Free Shampoo and Conditioner. This duo contains tri-moisture essence like glycerin, aloe extracts and shea butter that work together to hydrate and keep that moisture locked in, giving you that defined curls. Though it's important to keep your curls clean, overwashing can rob them of their natural oils, leaving them dry and frizzy. To maintain their bounce and beauty, let's avoid overwashing and only wash them when necessary. Embrace those non-wash days with confidence with a cute hairdo. Detangling those beautiful locks is a must. And guess what? It's all about being gentle and having the right tools. So grab a white tooth comb or use those fingers to untangle with love. No breakage allowed. And here's the secret to those gorgeous curls, the BeBeautiful Curls Defining Gel. Simply apply it to damp hair, spread it across the length of your curls and scrunch it. Infused with aloe extracts, coconut oil and glycerin, this alcohol-free gel promises intense hydration for up to 48 hours, ensuring your curls remain defined without any flakes or crunch. Curls need some extra love during the drying process, so say no to regular towels as they can be too rough for our fabulous curls. They can mess up your curl pattern and bring on the dreaded frizz. Instead, go for gentle touch. Use a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt to blot and squeeze out the excess water. They absorb just enough water without disrupting those beautiful curls. Your curls will thank you with their fabulous health and definition. Embrace the power of hair masks for our curly hair as they dive deep into our hair shaft, restoring moisture, smoothness and elasticity to those gorgeous curls. The BeBeautiful Curls Deep Moisture Miracle Hair Mask is like a superhero. It strengthens your hair against early damage, smooths frizz, and works wonders from within. Plus, it is infused with moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and glycerin that adds life back to your curls and helps maintain their shape. Now let's talk about those hot styling tools. They can be a bit of a troublemaker for our fabulous curls. Too much heat styling can lead to dryness and damage, and we definitely don't want that for our gorgeous locks. So, it's time to give those flat irons, curling irons and blow dryers a little break. Instead, let's embrace our natural curls and try out air drying, diffusing, scrunching and finger coiling. They enhance our curl pattern without causing any damage. When we sleep, our curls can get all tangled up and squished, and that's a recipe for frizz and breakage. So do show your curls some love even during slumber time. Use a silk or satin pillowcase. It's like a soft, cozy hug for your curls, reducing friction and keeping them smooth. And for some extra TLC, gather those curls in a loose pineapple or braid before hitting the bed. This way, you wake up to beautiful, well-defined curls in the morning. I really hope you enjoyed these curly hair do's and don'ts. Give it a try to get those soft, defined curls you've always wanted. And before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all the fabulous hair tips and tricks.